Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red clear, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Good evening, graduates. I'd like to start by thanking you for joining us for this virtual commencement ceremony. Your university is proud of you. Completing a college degree is challenging under ordinary circumstances. You have overcome those challenges and many obstacles we could not have imagined a year ago. Your determination is inspiring to me and to so many of us at SVSU, and it will serve you well in your careers. After years of hard work, you have arrived at the conclusion of your collegiate journey and are prepared for a promising career in education. By pursuing a career in education, you will be responsible for preparing future generations to contribute positively to their communities, pursue a higher education degree, and enter the workforce. You will be the source of inspiration for hundreds of students throughout your career. Several alumni from your college have already gone on to realize a significant impact in classrooms right here in our region, across the country, and even throughout the world. To all of our graduates watching this virtual ceremony, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. Celebrate your accomplishment. You have earned it. This occasion marks the end of a long journey. It has been demanding, but I hope you have also found it to be rewarding and inspiring. As you prepare to celebrate, let us also recognize those who are celebrating with you, your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your spouses, and all of your family and friends who have supported you and have sacrificed for you. We also recognize the SVSU faculty and staff who have mentored you and pushed you along the way. Those relationships continue even after your degree is complete. We truly are a community. Challenging times often lead us to remember our common bond and strengthen our relationships with one another. Those relationships are what get us through the tough times and bring meaning to our joyous times. Once again, my sincerest congratulations to each of you. We hope you will stay in touch with us, and we look forward to seeing you visit your alma mater often. As we approach the holiday season, let us focus on hope, not an empty hope that is undefined, but a hope for a bright future and a meaningful career that rests on the fact that you are a Saginaw Valley State University graduate.
Good evening. I am Deborah Huntley, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs, and it is my honor to present those graduates who have earned advanced degrees from the College of Education. On behalf of my colleagues at Saginaw Valley State University, we admire your hard work, dedication, and tenacity that have allowed you to reach your academic goals and prepare for your professional career. The field of education is critically important to our communities and to our futures. This year, perhaps more than any other, we have seen the impact that school leaders have on ensuring an equitable, accessible, and high-quality school experience for all children under the most difficult of conditions. Educators on the front line will look to you for guidance and reassurance as they meet the challenges of this field today and in the future. As graduates from SVSU, we have every confidence that you are prepared to step into this leadership role and positively influence future generations of teachers and students alike. And many of you already have. You are well prepared for whatever that next step might be. We know that your contributions to this vocation will be as unique as the talents that you have brought to your graduate program, and we are pleased that you will represent SVSU with passion, professionalism, and enthusiasm for teaching. Congratulations to each of you, and best wishes.
Hello, graduates. As Dean of the College of Education, I'm pleased to introduce those students graduating with their baccalaureate degrees. You are here today because you are passionate about helping others. You are here today because you have made a commitment of service to our young people. You are here today because you have chosen a profession that is very challenging and always rewarding. You are here today because you have persevered. In this past year, the world has seen teachers for what they are, essential. Educators and communities near and far have put in long hours, as they have always done, to accommodate the ever-changing needs of their students and their local school communities. They have risen to the challenge of providing a quality educational experience for students who are, for the first time, utilizing new technologies to learn complex material. A teacher's influence has never been more apparent than it is today, and I have every confidence that each of you will enter the field of education with great enthusiasm and impact the lives of every child that walks through your classroom door. One of my favorite sayings is, "To teach is to touch the future," and a career in teaching is an essential way to cultivate a new and brighter future. You represent the best of us, and I congratulate you on this accomplishment and the many ways in which you will touch the future.
Hi, my name is Michelle Barr, and I was so pleased to be asked to speak at your graduation. I am so proud of you for graduating from the College of Education. Saginaw Valley is near and dear to my heart, as I did most of my graduate work and my supervisor and director of special education work at the university. I cannot imagine going to school during a pandemic, finishing your coursework, student teaching, doing all of the work that you have done to get to this point during a pandemic. What I know for sure is that you are going to be a better teacher because of it. You have learned to pivot. You have learned to use technology in different ways. You have learned what is important with teaching is a relationship with the kids, and I could not be more proud of you. In my job as Director of Special Education at the Midland County ESA, I have had the distinct privilege of having many of you in field work and as student teachers at the Midland County ESA programs. I know that Saginaw Valley has prepared you for a career, a wonderful career in teaching. I have never regretted for 1 minute of my life being a teacher. I am so honored to speak to you today, and I know that there are 1 million kids and 1 million schools and 1 million families who just can't wait to meet you. Congratulations on a job well done. Cardinal Pride.